I love nature. I'm a biology major, so this is definitely something I'm going to be telling people about for a really long time.
Okay, so today was a really awesome day. It's probably my favorite so far. We saw a bunch of wolves and a bunch of wolf puppies today, and then we saw a grizzly and a fat chubby bear cub, which is what I really wanted to see.
I feel like it was just much more of an accomplishment for me if I, like, looking back 20 years from now, I'm like, why didn't I do that? So I'm here now, so I'm so glad I did it.
We can make an impact politically and environmentally through the decisions that we make each and every day. That's hot.